All right, so really important Shibarium update, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to talk about why this is so important because there have been some spreading of misinformation regarding Shibarium out there on the internet. And I don't say that loosely because you can throw that word loosely out there. Oh, misinformation. Everything's misinformation. No, this is actually things that have been said, though, about Shibarium that are not true because NowNodes has exactly the information we need and we want to hear. So, and this is coming from, obviously, a really, really valid source, somebody very, very close and working with Shibarium developers. So recently, they say, NowNodes, we recorded several media platforms and influencers spreading misinformation regarding our Shibarium RPC node launch. We decided it would be fair to share the most recent updates with the community and give you some great news. Number one, we have major progress and assistance. Currently, our engineers are working on settling up the node for internal tests and later the public launch, thanks to the efforts of this amazing development and marketing teams of the Shibarium ecosystem. There's no delay in the Shibarium RPC node launch. We have never shared any ETA on the launch or public availability of Shibarium full node, so it would not be true to say or state there have been any delays or outages. What's next? Our engineers are currently occupied with setting up and syncing the node. We understand the high level of responsibility and why it's in our interest to ensure the stability and high speed of the connection. Stay tuned. We'll keep you informed on the progress. Check Shibarium availability at NowNodes. And this coming out this morning, I thought it was important. I'm going to go ahead and retweet that as well. P.S. It's really close, fam. Wish us luck. Thank you, folks. And that is coming directly from NowNodes. And again, NowNodes, one of the large node providers out there right now, simplifying node operations. They are working with the folks at Shibarium, and they, again, are, kind of squashing some, misinformation here regarding their Shibarium RPC node launch. And no, it has not been pushed back. They're just saying that they're getting ready for public launch. Now, speaking of Shibarium, let's hop over here and take a look at some of the numbers here. Total transactions have come up on 1.2 million total transactions so far. We're going to hit that today, it looks like. Wallet addresses continue to increase as well, steadily and slowly moving up, over 1.1 million wallet addresses right now. We were on a nice upward trajectory in terms of daily transactions. A little bit of a pullback on the 4th of September from the 3rd to the 4th. We'll see here once we get data in from yesterday and then data in from today where we're at. But right now, daily transactions flowing in at around 109,000 on average. And again, this is the total daily number of transactions on the blockchain here for the last month. So we'll get this data even sharper once we get further down the line and we get more days here within the month. So this is what's happening on Shibarium right now, your latest Shibarium update. Appreciate you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Don't forget to hit the like button, too. That helps us out. We'll see you. Bye.